Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Yo guys, welcome to my channel. And we are going to discover a river. This is the river. Are you see this? Are you see this? In this river, there is very deep. A Buddha uncle is very Letterakam is doing here. So this is corona infected. So we are going to pass this by this Soraihat bridge. Are you see this? The Soraihat. It is the Soraihat. And we are trying to put our legs in there. So are you see this? This is the Soraihat. Wait, I have to give camera to other person. Take it, bro. Take it, bro. And do the video. It is very high. Yo. Give it to me. Give it to me. This is the river, and it's very long bridge. We're going to pass this. If you fall this river, you have to ting your legs. So we are going to slowly here. There are many houses. Are you see this? Are you see this? Yes. So we are going to pass this. This is very slippery over here. If I fall, I got infected. I got infected because uncle is moving here. I think that uncle has a corona. So this is the river, and this is the Soraihat. We are past. We are going slowly. If I fall this, it is very difficult. I am trying to pass this. I am dehydrated, but I can do it. You know, this is the river. This is not a river. Once upon a time, before 3 weeks, there is a gatha over here, and very raining, and pani is coming. So we are going to pass this. This is very difficult to pass. This is very difficult. I am trying my best to go over there. Oh my God. Now raining. Are you see this? There are rainings. I am going to pass this. Somebody, I am too hydrated. Very big hydrated. We already passed we already passed the half bridge. Now this portion is here. We are going to pass this. Are you see this? Are you see this? Yes. Hey, what is this? What is this? Are you see this? Hey. Are you see this? What is this? What is this? Are you see this? This is a corona over there. Kill it. They are killed. In this lockdown period, I killed so many coronas like that. And now time for cinematic shots. Watch it. Are you interested? Are you interested? Now see this. This is the river. This is the river. Yo. This is the river. Yo. This is the river. This is the river. This is the river. If you want more video like this, then hit the subscribe button like this and like our video.